Welcome to Pakistan, a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Join me as we explore this incredible country. Pakistan is a country located in South Asia, known for its diverse geography ranging from towering mountains in the north to vast deserts in the south. With a population of over 220 million people, it's a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. Our journey begins in Lahore, the cultural capital of Pakistan. Lahore is famous for its historical sites, vibrant arts scene, and delicious cuisine. Local guide in Lahore. Lahore is known as the city of gardens, and the city that never sleeps. You must try our local delicacies like nihari, biryani, and the famous Lahori chana. Next, we head to the northern areas of Pakistan, where nature's beauty is, well, unparalleled. From the serene valleys of Hunza and Skardu to the stunning views at Fairy Meadows, this region is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers.
The northern areas offer some of the best trekking routes in the world. The hospitality of the locals and the breathtaking landscapes make it an unforgettable experience.
Karachi, the largest city of Pakistan, is a bustling metropolis with a rich history and a vibrant nightlife. From the sandy beaches of Clifton to the bustling markets of Sadar, Karachi is a city that never sleeps.
Karachi is the economic hub of Pakistan. It's a city full of opportunities and diversity where every corner has a story to tell.
Pakistan is a country of rich cultural heritage. From traditional music and dance to colorful festivals, there's always something to celebrate.
Art and culture are deeply rooted in our traditions. Whether it's the classical music of the East or the vibrant colors of our festivals, Pakistan's culture is truly unique.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through Pakistan. From its majestic mountains to its bustling cities, this country is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Until next time, happy travels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.